Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, where luxury is not just seen, it is experienced. This channel takes you inside the world's most exclusive homes, showcasing architectural brilliance, elite lifestyles, and spaces designed without compromise. Every property we feature represents success, vision, and timeless elegance. Today's luxury residence stands as a true masterpiece of modern waterfront living. Designed to deliver both comfort and prestige, this mansion blends refined architecture with breathtaking natural surroundings. From its clean white exterior and expansive glass walls to its perfectly balanced structure, every detail reflects sophistication and high-end craftsmanship. Set directly along the waterfront, this estate offers a private resort-style atmosphere. Palm-lined landscapes, open outdoor spaces, and uninterrupted water views create a setting that feels calm, powerful, and exclusive. Natural light flows effortlessly through the home, enhancing its open concept layout and highlighting premium materials, elegant finishes, and thoughtful design elements. Inside, the living spaces are crafted to feel both grand and welcoming. Wide glass panels connect the interior to the outdoors, creating a seamless flow that defines modern luxury living. Every corner of the home is designed to deliver comfort, style, and an elevated lifestyle experience. As the day transitions into evening, the property transforms into a glowing architectural statement. Soft interior lighting, reflections across the water, and carefully designed outdoor illumination bring the mansion to life, revealing its true cinematic presence. This is more than a home, it is a lifestyle defined by freedom, refinement, and achievement. A place where modern design meets waterfront elegance, and where every moment feels extraordinary. Thank you for joining Million Dollar Mansions, your trusted destination for the world's most remarkable luxury homes. Stay connected as we continue to explore iconic properties that redefine what true luxury living means.